Hello everyone, my name is Himanshi and this is my new YouTube channel and my first vlog, and I'll be showing you my hotel as I recently traveled from India to United Kingdom, and I'm staying in city Glasgow in the city center. So as we all know that there are some new guidelines from the government that you have to stay in hotel. I'm not sure about that if it is for Scotland or for England, so you can check that on government website. But if you are traveling to Glasgow city, so I would recommend you this hotel. And this is not a sponsored video, but since I am staying here, I thought I can help you also, because you will be struggling and to find a good accommodation. So I think it's a good place, and I'll show you my room, and I'll tell you the price and everything about this room. So let's get started. So this is the main door from where you'll be entering the room, and if you go on the left side of my room, it's a bathroom where you can see there's a bathtub, lot of towels provided by them, and we have this shower gel, shampoo, so you don't need to bring it from your home country. You'll be getting it. And then here you can see there is hand wash, then mirrors are there, some towels, then tissue. Yeah, so that's it about the bathroom, and it's quite pretty. So now we'll enter our room, which is very pretty. Here we have the heater, and then there is a small dining table where you can sit and chill and eat. It's a beautiful room. So going forward, here we have the sofa again where you can sit, watch TV, which is here. So yeah, then I'm showing you the kitchen. So since it is a kind of studio apartment, so I took a studio apartment rather than just a room, because I'm pure vegetarian and I like to cook food for myself, and I'm a typical parantha girl, so tawa is there. So this is the kitchen. We have the induction here, and I bought bread from market. There is milk, but this is not provided by the hotel, it's mine. Then there is tea, it's also mine. So we'll be getting kettle, so don't bring it from India. And moreover, here we have different plugs, so even if you're bringing it will be of no use. And I'll tell you one incident that happened with me, so I'll tell you later. So here we have the sugar, and a lot of things are there. Actually, I didn't use. Tea bags are there, then sugar is there, so you can use it. Okay, coffee bag is also there, coffee pouch, sorry. Then we have the knives there. Then here we have this induction. You have to pull it outside and it will start working. Then I'm opening this cupboard. Here we have a little bit of crockery, and I think that is enough for the initial stay. And again, I don't think you need to get it from India, because you'll get it in your wherever you'll be staying. Even if it is a Airbnb apartment, there also you'll get it, and even in hotel studio apartments you'll get it. So don't bring it from your home country. And you can see what all you'll get. There is salt, and there is, I don't know what's that. Here you can see again some crockery items. I don't use this, but here we have some forks, spoons, and all that Indian stuff, like, yeah, the big spoon and everything. So you don't need to bring that from your home country. So that's it about the crockery portion. Now here in these cupboard, here we have this fridge. So this is a fridge, and what they'll provide you, I mean, I didn't tell you the hotel name, it's Fraser Suites. So here they are providing you some milk pouches, small pouches are there. Then 2 water bottles. So even I would like to tell you, here you can use the tap water also. It's very clean, so when your bottles will get, you know, used up, so you can fill the water from the tap. Okay, so this was the fridge, and here we have the dishwasher and an extra cloth to clean the slab and everything. Then there are gloves. Then we have this toaster. I never used it and I don't know what is this. I didn't use it. So this, and this is for like studio apartment. If you are renting a two room apartment, you'll get a dishwasher also, so you don't need these this thing. Now here we have the microwave, so you can cook something here also, so you can use it. And oh, we have this portion also. It's new for me, I didn't open it, but wow, here we have all the pans and to cook. We have pan, kadai, everything. It is superb. I just came to know. I'm staying here from last 3-4 days, but I didn't open it. It's great. Then here we have 3 dustbins. It says bottle and jars we have to put inside this. I have to open it like this. Then it says we have to put all type of paper, cans, bottles inside this again. And here general food item, food waste. Then there's heater, TV. I don't watch TV. We have the phone here. Then again a study table and chair. You can sit and do like currently we all are doing work from home, so it's a good way of working. And here we have the bed, the queen size bed, I would say. Then there are 2 lamps. It's beautiful. And okay, here it's a sofa. Then there is lamp. Now here we have some cupboards to put our stuff. There's a lot of makeup lying there, so you can ignore it, but I'll show you something. Here we have the laundry bag, and you can see the charges that are applicable if you take any service for you can see it's quite expensive, so don't go for it. Wash your clothes. And then we have 3 drawers. So if I open it, I can show you. There's a locker. You can put your stuff here. Actually my luggage is still inside the bag, so I didn't open it because I have to shift after 12-13 days. There's an iron, then some hangers to hang your clothes. There is a fan, but it's snowing outside, so you don't need a fan. If you're traveling in summers, you'll use it. You can use it. And there, that's me. I have stuff there, but okay, so I'll show you. They have provided us one hair dryer also, so girls, you don't have to bring it from India. I got it and it's of no use. Moreover, the plugs are of this type. It's UK type plug board, so don't bring it from India. And even if you're bringing it, then I think you can purchase this adapter from here. I'll show you, and I'll tell you the incident also that happened with me. So it is my phone charger. It's an Apple charger. So what happened with me, actually I got an adapter from India. I don't know where is that. I kept it somewhere, but okay, I got an adapter from India in advance because I thought when I'll reach and when I'll go to supermarket and I would need to charge my phone, so I got it from India as an essential. But when I put it in the plug board, it just blasted my phone slot also, you know, sparked, and I got scared and I ran to the supermarket, and the market was closed because it's a lockdown here. So I just went to a nearby little store. Then I went to the reception and I managed this adapter, but this is mine. I managed the same adapter, he gave it to me. So this you can get from here. This is the adapter box name, if you can see. Okay, so why I'm telling you this is because if you're getting it from India, so what will happen, there is some voltage kind of, you know, mismatch, and you put it inside the plug board and it can blast, which happened with me, and some of the, you know, switches stopped working. And today I changed my room because the only switchboard which was working was of kitchen, and because at the end of day I'm tired and I need my phone also. So you need a, you know, we all Indians, we need our switchboard working near to our bed. So I went to the market, I bought this adapter from market. So get it from here, don't bring it from India. So it will be of no use and it will create only a problem, so don't get it. I can show you the window view also, but it's very bad. I don't know, kind of garage or some parking place, so it's of no, I don't know how to show you, but okay, let me show you. There are two windows. Let me open it from where I can open it here. So these are the two windows. It's my new room. Very bad view, but still, if you want to enjoy it. Okay, it doesn't look like UK. Don't get a UK feel from this window. Why it's not opening? Let me try to open it. Oh yeah, you have to twist it. Actually, I'm just playing around from last 3-4 days because I'm just experimenting with the things. I'm new to even like with small things, so it's different. So you can open the window here. I'm actually scared of opening windows. Okay, there is a press icon here. I have to press it. I don't know how. I don't know, guys, I can't open it, but okay, I can show you the view from here. It's really bad. I don't know what's this. Some cans are there. Oh, I don't want to watch it. I'm closing. I don't like ugly things. I only like beautiful things. So that's it about my today's video. This was my room tour, and if you are traveling to UK, Glasgow city, Scotland, so you can stay here. And yes, of course, about the charges for I booked it for like 10-11 days and I've paid almost £700, which is 70,000 INR, which is not so cheap. You can get cheaper apartments from Airbnb. So it's your choice if you want to go for it. You're not getting even the breakfast included into this price, so it's your choice. But yes, if you are new to the place and you don't want to struggle for small things, so I think this is the best place to stay. And we have all the supermarkets near, very near actually. We have the McDonald's, Lidl, Poundland. It's in the city center, guys, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll get all the grocery items. So I'll make more videos about more information while traveling to UK and my experiences. So just stay tuned and just subscribe to my channel and show your love, and we'll meet again. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, goodbye.